Welcome to our first lesson on presentations. In this lesson, we're going to look at why we use presentations. Now, a presentation is used to facilitate communication, usually in a visual manner, to a larger audience. From the audience's point of view, it's usually easier to interpret data and information if they can see it visually. And that's why a PowerPoint presentation is such a powerful tool. Most people are not comfortable with presenting information to an audience, but luckily we've got lots of software packages available that can assist you in creating great presentations. And hopefully that will give you enough confidence to present your information to an audience. Your PowerPoint presentation usually consists of a number of slides, and these slides can be viewed in a particular order. These can consist of text, pictures, sounds, and even video clips. Let's have a look at a couple of examples of some PowerPoint presentations. The first one we're going to look at will be used to report back on the financial performance of a company. Let's open it up. Right, I'm just quickly going to flip through it. You could add an agenda and note the use of graphs to communicate information in a visual manner. This is obviously much easier to interpret if they can see everything visually. The second one we're going to look at could potentially be used in a class to revise work. Let's have a look. So here we have a quiz, and you can go through the answers, and you can add effects to your PowerPoint presentation to make the answers appear in an interesting way. You can also add some animation to add interest. And obviously this could be used where people would actually give the answer in class and then they'll have a look at what the answer is on the screen. Now, presentations can be presented in a variety of ways. You can project it using a data projector, or you can choose to print out your PowerPoint presentations. Let's look at an example of that. So here's an example of a PowerPoint presentation that you would preferably print out because it has lots of information on it. If you were to project this on a data projector, people would not be able to see all the details. But if you're going to print this out as a handout, it would be perfect to communicate all the information that you need. Always keep in mind who your target audience is. If it's just a couple of friends where you're reporting back on a holiday, you can keep the tone of the presentation very informal, add lots of animations and fun features. But if you're reporting back to a board of governors, for instance, you'll keep your tone more formal, you'll keep your presentation simple and professional. That concludes our lesson on why we use presentations.